Hi there, my name is Yevhen. I am a technician from Appliance Service Guys, a local company that serves the Canadian city of Winnipeg. I suggest you right now subscribe to my channel. Let me introduce Jenn-Air stove. Reason for contacting the service: oven won't heat up. The first thing I did was make sure the oven didn't heat up when I turned it on. Then I took the stove out of the furniture row and removed the back protective cover, behind which there are electrical contacts for heating elements and temperature sensors. I measured the operating parameters of all electrical components of the stove one by one using a multimeter. All components except the lower heating element are working properly. I remove the burnout heating element and install a new one. I made sure that the terminals that make electrical contact with the lower heating element are receiving electrical voltage. For that reason, after installing a new working heating element, the oven of this Jenn-Air stove will work. I start checking the operation of the oven. I turn on the baking mode to high temperature to see how the lower heater gets red hot. While the oven is heating up, I check that the cooktop is working properly. I will turn on the burners one by one and make sure that they are working. On the left side everything is OK. Now I turn on the right half. Yep, the right side is also OK. Cooktop is fully functional and works perfectly. It's time to open the oven door and visually verify that the lower heating element is working. Success! The Jenn-Air stove works and is tested in all modes. The renovation is complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. To learn more about the process of repairing and servicing appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg, Appliance Service Guys Inc., your trusted partner in appliance repair. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.